Your device connects your life. It's your work, your friends, your family, your everything. That's why when something happens to your phone, like a broken screen, liquid damage, or the battery doesn't last all day, you need CPR. CPR will save your mobile life. Whether your device is damaged or you just need some general maintenance, CPR can help. CPR will fix your mobile device fast and have you back up and running in no time. Our services include cell phones, tablets, laptops, accessories, gaming, and much more. And CPR is the only one to offer a lifetime warranty. Visit us online today at cellphonerepair.com or come in today for a free estimate at one of our convenient locations.